7:19 is your time right now. Halloween just around the corner. That means time to scare up some fun at the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. Well, Erica Meyer's here, but we don't care about her. We care about the Stormtrooper and Darth Vader, who has sleep apnea, and he's got his machine there. Can I don't want to. I don't even touch anything. Okay. All right, Erica, tell us why our folks are here from Star Wars.
Well,
Boo at the Zoo. That's what we're talking about.
Yeah, we're talking about Boo at the Zoo, and we're so excited because it starts this Friday. It's this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then it's next weekend as well. We have new extended hours this year from 4 to 9, all 6 nights, and we are just so excited. We're gonna have so much fun. We obviously have a haunted house, but we're not even talking about that today.
No.
I brought my friends with me.
Your friends?
My friends.
Okay.
Yes, they're with the 501 troop, and we invite them every year to Boo at the Zoo.
What's 501? What's the 501 troop? Because I was kind of chatting with you earlier about them.
Yeah, so they're a group that obviously is all Star Wars character, and this is the Pikes Peak group.
Okay.
And they are taking over our Sky Ride this year because there's going to be 60 of them through the 3 nights each weekend, and obviously Darth Vader's going to be there.
Right.
And Princess Leia. I hear R2-D2 is going to be.
Are you going to be Princess Leia?
No.
Please?
No. I'm going to be running around delivering candy to all of the treat stations.
Now, Boo at the Zoo, of course, you guys do it every year. The first night is tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night.
Yeah, and you guys have extended hours. That's the coolest part. It's going to be from 4 to 9.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so it's just going to be great. And obviously, you have to take the Sky Ride this year because you're not going to want to miss out on the Star Wars experience. It is going to be amazing.
Basically, the Sky Ride, when you get to the top, these guys are going to be there, and some of the other people there. Sky Ride, there's also a Sky Ride and a Boo combo pricing. It starts anywhere from about $13 and goes all the way up to about $18, depending if you're a Zoo member or not.
Yeah, and so they're going to be up there. There's going to be a lightsaber demonstration. There's going to be lots of activities for kids. There's going to be 3 additional treat stations up there. So if your kid is into Star Wars at all, or your husband's into Star Wars, or your wife, go to the Sky Ride.
I think everybody's into Star Wars. Everybody loves these guys, even though they seem imposing. Yeah, there they are, right there. The Stormtrooper and Mr. Vader, who helped me do weather a minute ago, or at least was kind of looking down on me doing weather. Either way. So more information, go to cmzoo.org /boo.
/boo.
That's an easy way to do it, and you have all the great outreach programs there as well. Again, Boo at the Zoo, not only this weekend, but also next weekend, the extended hours. You can check out all the guys. R2-D2, is he going to be there too? Yeah,
R2-D2 is going to be making an appearance.
C-3PO?
You know, you just never know what you're going to get.
I wonder if that guy from Spaceballs will be there. Would you think the John Candy character? You know?
Probably
Barf?
not.
What's his name? Barf?
I'm going to go with
he says no. He's mortified at that whole movie. I can't breathe in this thing. That's like the best line. Yeah, so. All right, may the Schwartz be with you. Thank you, gentlemen. Look at him. He's so disappointed at me. I'm sorry.
He's going to be joining you for the next weather segment.
Oh my God! All right, Darth Vader. We made peace. Go to Boo at the Zoo again. Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks, Erica, and thank you, Stormtrooper guy and Darth Vader, for stopping by. The 501st Legion of the costume guys there, so working out. It's going to be a lot of fun, too. More information, again, cmzoo.org /boo. I'm going to have to get out there just to kind of represent. I'm over here in my safe area right now, okay? I'm in my Frady hole.
Still feel like you're breathing.
I know. I tell you, I mean, it's like the whole sleep apnea thing. He should get that checked, really. Come on.